the skies above Phoenix, Arizona became the scene of one of the most unusual air traffic control events in recent aviation history. Around Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport, two American Airlines aircraft were operating in the same sector of airspace, but there was one critical problem. Both aircraft were transmitting under the same call sign, American 2482. One aircraft was on arrival from Chicago O'Hare. The other had just departed Phoenix, climbing out for Chicago. In aviation, a call sign is the radio identification used between pilots and air traffic control. Every clearance, altitude assignment, and heading instruction depends on that identification being unmistakably clear. On this night, two different aircraft shared the identical call sign. The situation began after weather delays disrupted the inbound Chicago service. To maintain its schedule, American Airlines dispatched another aircraft from Phoenix before the delayed inbound flight had arrived. The result was extremely rare. Two aircraft, one identical call sign, and converging flight paths within the same terminal airspace. The moment the Phoenix controller recognized the conflict, he acted immediately. Rather than issuing instructions simply to American 2482, he created a clear distinction over the frequency. American 2482 on the arrival. American 2482 on the departure. Now let's listen into the real conversation between the air traffic controller and the flight crew.
2482, the arrival at a 11,000, traffic south to your position, less than a mile, level at 9,000.
Traffic inside American 2482 on the arrival.
American 2482 arrival. That traffic's no factor. You can descend via the arrival. Thank you very much.
Descend via the arrival, American 2482 arrival.
American 2482, the arrival. We're going to put in an MRI. That's the first time I've been working air traffic for 25 years. I've never seen two aircraft pretty much merge with the same call sign. That's pretty incredible.
Yeah, we're going to say good job. I've been flying a lot less than that. I've never seen that either, so nice work.
Yeah, no problem. That was. I'm glad it all worked out there. It could have been disastrous, but I'm glad it all worked out.
Yeah, same frequency and pointing right at each other. That's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
That precise phraseology eliminated ambiguity and ensured each flight crew knew exactly which aircraft every transmission was intended for. As the aircraft continued toward one another, the controller maintained vertical separation, keeping the arriving aircraft above the departing aircraft. He instructed the departure to remain at its assigned altitude, preventing it from climbing into the arrival's flight path. At the same time, both crews were advised of the traffic while they were still several miles apart, providing complete situational awareness. Within moments, the aircraft passed safely. No loss of separation occurred, no emergency was declared, and normal operations continued. After crossing, the arriving pilot broke the tension with a simple message. The Federal Aviation Administration and American Airlines are now investigating how duplicate call signs were able to exist simultaneously. According to American Airlines, required separation was maintained throughout the event, and both flights continued safely to their destinations. This incident is a powerful reminder that aviation safety is built on disciplined communication, standardized procedures, and the professionalism of the people behind every transmission. Because sometimes the most important safety system in the sky is a calm voice making the right call at exactly the right moment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Your support helps us create more aviation documentaries and real ATC content.